Yeah, fashion designing in the year 2026 has gone beyond just skirting of clothes. Yeah, fashion designing is now a multidisciplinary course or endeavor. Yeah, you are most welcome to the channel today. I remain Joketulu and Setro. And if this is your first time of coming by this channel, please don't forget to like and share. And you are powerfully welcome to the year 2026. Everybody say gang, gang. Yes, there are so many new things in this year 2026 that is evolving and happening in the fashion industry. And that's just what I thought to share today. So don't just think I'm a fashion designer, I'll be sketching and this. It has gone beyond that. Right now in the year 2026, fashion has what? An infusion of tech. Now there are smart fabrics and wearable techs. So these are combining together to make up real trends in the year 2026. So if you want to be actually above what is happening, you just don't have to focus on like I'm a tailor, I'm scratching. You have to be aware of what is in vogue. Yes. So we will be having fabrics that can even change with color and mood or temperature. They respond to temperatures. For this, you'll be using fabric like glossy satin, organza, or reflective trims if you want to be part of this trend. So you just have to come on board because this tech integration is actually going to make clothes to be more functional and stylish. And you know that's what is going to just keep on leading in the trend. And you just have to be abreast of it. And the next thing is just that word. AI is now a creative partner in fashion designing in the year 2026. So you just don't have to rely on I know how to scratch. You have to work more with AI to generate custom patterns and prints. And there are some AIs that will even do digital fittings based on your parameters, your body parameters. So all these things, you just have to be aware of them because they are really going to take fashion to the next level in this year and beyond. And the next is that sustainability is now the cocoa of the matter. Let me say it that way. Is now the main thing. Is now mainstream. It's not just like it's a niche for some people or some designers. No, sustainability in fashion in 2026 is the main thing because everything fashion now is what turning actually to what circular fashion where clothes can actually be reused and what fully recycled. You know what's happening to our planet? So to save our planet and our world, the things that will actually be used, the materials, the fabrics that are being used this time around are regenerative and biodegradable materials. You have fabrics like mushroom leather, Balsic, you'll be using more of cottons, Adire, linen, Ankara. You could just make a patched style of Ankara skirt with this. Or you could actually create a two-piece set from leftover fabrics and you name them things like conscious fashion, you name them eco luxury, and you just bring out something very fun-filled with the name. And you see that these are things that will really be selling, that will really be sold out, that will really be trendy this year 2026 and beyond because everyone is actually looking for what will help save our world. Yes, and that's just it. And there's going to be new aesthetic trends in designs. You're going to be having bold colors, artistic expressions. You'll be having colors like celestial yellow, electric blue, otherwise known like royal blue. You're going to be having earth tones like brown, clay, olive. You'll be having soft yellow, butter yellow, and just all these type of colors. Both colors will be raining now. And for the clean naturals, you're going to be having colors like cream, milk, white. These are colors that will be trending. We're going to be having things like 3D floral patterns and textures designs. They'll be replacing the normal flat prints and they'll be transforming garments into wearable artistic designs. So if people are wearing things that are really artistic, that will be moving and that will push more people to just fall in love with that and that will be trendy. So that's just it. You're going to be having sculpted sleeves or structured sleeve really come back this time around. We're going to be having fashion come back to the classic fashion, retro necklines. And you're going to be having granny sleeves that will be with vintage charm. And they are going to be trendy again with new modern twists. Flares and retro silhouettes will also make a real big comeback this time around, and they are going to be coming back with real modern twists. So just get ready. You see, fabrics and materials will be really evolving, just as I've said. You are going to be having fabrics that are responding to touch. You'll be having materials or fabrics that will be reacting to light or heat, and these are thermochromic textiles. So there'll be lots and lots this year. Just make sure that you are aware. So if you want to really be in vogue, make sure you be working with all these fabrics that I've mentioned earlier on, like fabric that are responsive to temperature, that change with color or mood. So these fabrics will actually be evolving this time around. Artisan weaves will also come back. Our handloom, this for our fabric of antiquity, Ashoke, there'll really be a great comeback. So be on the lookout for all this in 2026. So what's the implication for you as a designer? You should know that fashion designing now is not just that I'm a tailor, I'm a designer, I can sketch, I can sew. Now it's a multidisciplinary craft or industry. You have to learn all this. That's what it means. Just don't go solo on cut and sew. I know how to cut, I know these patterns. No, infuse all these modern technologies into what you're doing. So till I come your way next time, let me hear from you in the comment section below. I remain Joketolu and Setro. Don't forget to reach out to us for your Tailors recruitment. We are into human resource management and recruitment right now. You can reach out to us for that and so many other things. So till I come your way next time, I remain Joketolu and Setro. Catch you, love you.